Friends, in this we will adaptive milling, and the next option in this adaptive milling is go to adaptive milling, and this time this rough core is my folder and tool workpiece, and I'm doing this roughing operation right here. So this time I'm going to change this step over as 50%, and the total length is 50, so I'm going to change this as 10. Okay, so 10 cut it will take in single level, and rest I'm keeping the same. Just go to this cut label, and here from the range I'm changing to user define, and depth of cut is 10, and my range is from this top 50, this total depth is 50, and depth of cut is 10. And if you want to define one more limit, so click here, and the second limit is this. So it is going to be cut in between this level. Okay, now generate. So this will be the result. Okay, let's see the verify it. This is a roughing operation, and depth of cut is 10. So in 3 or 4 level it is going to be cut this whole depth. See, 4 1 2 3 4 40, because this total depth is 40, that's why it takes 4 level.